Hi everyone, let me try to introduce myself. I'm Rakesh Rohde, doing Masters with specialization in Internet Technology and Architecture. I had around 3.5 years of experience in design and development of layer 2 and layer 3 protocols. Let me try to explain you how we have started our journey for the product Studentshood. Initially, as we both have some common interests in designing some good user interactable platforms who had a common vision and shared the same levels of excitement about doing something really interesting. So we formed a team called Team Lit. Later, we have decided that every one of us should come up with some ideas and brainstorm them and discuss the following items: whether the product that we thought of is having good value proposition, whether it solves some of the important problems that the user is facing today. Are there already some products in market which are doing the same thing? Is it implementation possible? Are there any bottlenecks involved in realizing such a product? Does the team have enough abilities to match the requirement? Then we finally have decided to develop a product called studentshood, a private platform for students.
Hey everyone, I'm Jin Xiang, and I come from China. Hometown is in Xi'an, and I'm also starting together with you guys. We are doing this business development lab. Our first trial is gonna be really tough. I would say, yeah, tough process.
Hello, my name is Nabir Rana and I'm studying EIT Labs Master Program. Done my bachelor's in computer science, majoring in software engineering and computer networking. I've been working as a network engineer for different companies for over 3 years.
Hi friends, I am Soumya. I am from India. Here I am doing my masters in internet technology and architecture under EIT. I had around 3 years of work experience. Our company is studentshood.com. It's basically about a platform given to the students. They can share everything about their life from their student life to what they are doing every day. In future, the students who will come, they can get some knowledge from previous students and they can use in their life.
Hello everyone, I'm Shirley. I'm a developer in studentshood. I like dancing, fishing, and programming. I'm glad to join this great project and work with my creative and projects.
About Studentshood, initially we came up with this idea to provide a social platform specifically for students where they can interact with other students from the university, where they also interact with the professors and seniors and also the prospective students who are planning to choose that particular university in their future. But the basic idea was to provide a platform to the students. For example, if a student has having any problems doing some assignments or if they have any questions regarding some exam or something, they can discuss with other students who have already done those assignments, or if they have gone through those courses, so they could give them some valuable help. Eventually we updated many things in our product according to our feedback from the different customers when we talked to them. Initially, since it was an ongoing process, we've been talking to different number of customers as we were went through different deliverables, but I guess we talked to over 110 customers from different universities, and we also talked to 11 employees from different job placement and advertising agencies. We also talked to some personnel from Student Inc. as well, and also some people from some entrepreneurs from Open Ratio. They guided us pretty well. They gave us valuable feedback according to for our product, and we've been gradually updating our product according to the feedback. So initially it wasn't that easy to talk to customers because we didn't have much of a data to show to the customers. So we had just this normal, less detailed prototype to show to the customer. But even gradually, when we received some feedback from the customer, we kept on updating our prototype as well, and we started getting a valuable feedback from our customers. We had like many interesting customers, mostly students from different universities, and we had interesting talks with them. They helped us. The feedback we received from them that actually helped us update and clear many confusions we had regarding our product and updating different parts of our business model. But I guess the most interesting conversation we have with few students when they actually told us that for such platform they don't need just want to go there and discuss only study related issues. They would also like to know about different events, different parties, and other social events which are going on around the university and or organized by student unions and other people. So I think that was the major change we made in our business model. According to that feedback, we also added a feature of event which drastically changed our business model and value proposition. So I think that was, I guess, the most interesting customer we had during all the survey we have been doing for different deliverables. So I think it will provide a great social platform for students where they can not only just discuss study related problems but also find it very interesting other things as well. We hope that it will go as we suspect or as we are hoping according to the feedback we have received so far.
I want to see all the students from all over the world can share their knowledge, their student life with other students in the world. What is happening in, if you see now's generation in Europe, in USA, the study process is different. Like in India, it's different. We want to narrow down that study experience. So we want to make one platform where students from all over the world will think about the same thing, like what students thinking in USA, mine should be same as what people are thinking in India. In future, I want to see platform where students from all over the world should explore the world in the same way. About my learnings, I learned a lot from this 2 months of my business development lab. It given me like how you can talk with clients, see one idea in different perspective. If I will go with this idea in India, but I never thought like how the people Sweden or in China people are thinking. So here I got a chance to talk with guys. I explore how I am thinking about the idea and how people are thinking from.
Now let's see what are the lessons that we have learned during this class. The business plan that you check out sitting in a room with 5 of your team members might be really different from what your customer is expecting when you go and talk to him. Yes, they vary. Producer sees what are the different problems existing and how we can provide a solution to it. But customer sees whether the solution provided is really worth considering. Attract the attention of your customer within the first minute. Time matters. Otherwise, they won't show interest in spending time with you and you'll miss their valuable feedback. Sit in the shoes of your customer. You'll better understand his requirements and hence there is a better chance that you develop a good product or service. Many students won't try a product until unless somebody finds it interesting and recommends it. So, how do you make sure that your customers try your product? Do you need some kind of catalyst? Yeah, in which form? Yes, studies says word of mouth really works. By doing innovative and attractive campaigns in famous universities, you'll have better chances of reaching them. It is not easy to develop a common value proposition for all your customers. Not all your customers will have the same value proposition. Even in cases where they have similar value proposition, they need not be of the same priority to each of them. The ability of your product to scale up is really important to attract the attention of your investors. Investors look at size of customer segment, how you're targeting some part of it, is there something really appealing for your customers, and how you're going to make money. Revenue on advertisements is not always attractive. Think about other sources too. Go early to your customers. Otherwise, who knows, there might be a surprise waiting for you.
What I'm actually experiencing through this whole course is that entrepreneurship is everywhere, not just in small companies, every size companies. You can have this innovation process flowing in your whole company process. What I have learned, entrepreneurship is not about dealing with chaos. It's not about doing something that is random. It's all about doing something through management. How I learned from this course, learning through a validated process to build something and we want to narrate in some way. And finally, there's always feedback from customers. There are customer development, there are customer segmentation, there are customer-centered service. You can't do anything without learning about the customers. The final thing I actually learned is about innovation. Innovation is not hard to analyze. Innovation is actually about accounting. Accounting for what? We have some kind of measurements, can quantify that, do some certain analysis.
Through this great opportunity, I learned how to start a real business from a original idea, how to improve the business by talking with customers, and also how to cooperate with people. And I'm proud to be a member of Team Bliss, and I believe you will enjoy this amazing platform in the near future. Welcome to studentshood, come and join us. 快来加入吧。
Hi everyone! Are you a university student? If yes, then this is only for you. We are Team Bleach and we are building studentshood.com, a private platform for students. We know that there are a lot of problems for students, but which one is critical for you? Is it time? Yes. We know that time passes really fast and we help you to save it for you. Join studentshood.com and we make your student life easier. What we do? We help you to get ratings of different courses at your university. We help you to know the local events happening in and around your university. We help you to connect to different employers and find a job. We help you to get housing information. We let you find a cozy and safe place to live. We'll help you to buy and sell or exchange your favorite things. We'll help you to find good discounts and coupons. We know that there is a lot of competition in market, but at the same time we understand that the needs of students keep changing based on where you live, which university you study, and many other local factors. So we have a private page for each university. We help you to get pinpointed information required at each university. In this way, we will allow you to choose your discussions either to be private to a specific university or public to many universities. Come on, sign up now and be the first to try our product.